welcome to Tech Tonight. I'm Trixie Briggs. Well, with just a few days into the EDA season, we already have our first big shakeup, with Andy Stickler accusing Billy Newway of gaining unfair advantage through his use of Altium's next-generation design solution. In a heated press conference today, Stickler said that the solution breaks all the rules and that it could potentially put guys like him out of the game completely, especially considering the current economic climate. So what does all this mean for the league? Well, get ready to unfog your glasses, boys, because it's time for the Tech Dome.
Welcome to the Tech Dome. Alongside embedded senior analyst and EDA insider Rick Bramshaft, I'm Jimbo McLovin. Rick, are you ready to break it down?
Hammer time, Jim. Hammer time.
Okay, now you've got all of EDA's CEOs in your speed dial, so you know Stickler as well as anyone. Do you think he's got a valid point to his accusation?
Look, Stickler has spent 15 years with his current solution.
That's pretty good innings.
It is, but Stickler also knows that the electronics game has changed, and he can't continue to just ignore guys like Newway stepping up to the plate any longer.
Do you think he's got a valid point then?
Well, Jim, there's no denying that the Altium solution gives players huge advantages over traditional EDA point tools. But it's not just Newway. There's a bunch of big hitters that have been using this new Altium solution for a while now, and we are seeing some very innovative plays happening, despite the current economic slump.
So what's so different about Altium that's giving these players such an advantage?
Well, you know, Altium don't try and glue together a bunch of separate tools and call it a solution. It's designed from the ground up to give designers from all disciplines the freedom to explore and collaborate in an unconstrained way.
I know I'm not playing by the old rules here, but let's face it, the game's been in decline for a while now. And in the current slump, we just gotta start doing something different.
Look, we had a great run for years. We churned out designs in the usual way without really needing to change anything. And in these uncertain times, we simply need to ride out the storm. But with PCB guys like Newway doing stuff like designing FPGAs as well, where's it all gonna end?
I didn't join the design league just to get relegated. If I see an edge, I take it. It's natural selection at work.
The problem with the Altium solution is it disrupts the classic flow of the game. You lose the tension of waiting for the prototype to come back to see if it actually fits in the case. With Newway's way, you just know it's going to go in. Where's the drama in that? It's unfair because while I'm stuck in doing the basic groundwork, Newway is out there trying out some new design ideas and techniques to impress the selectors.
Sure, I know where Stickler is coming from. I was using the same package as him just last year. And yes, Altium does break all the rules. But it's this freedom that allows us to really step up to the challenge and compete on a much higher level.
Oh, come on, Billy. You know nothing good ever came from thinking different.
Well, there you have it, boys. So come and see what all the fuss is about and get a real insider's view of the Altium solution. And remember, I'll be here all month bringing you the hottest tech talk news and updates. So don't go too far.
At Altium, we occasionally use eye candy to grab your attention, but when it comes to inventing new ways for you to visualize your design, we are deadly serious. Being able to visualize and work on your PCB in a three-dimensional environment is much more than just eye candy. It's the next big step in electronic design. When designing in 3D, board errors stick out more clearly, and the speed in which these errors can be spotted and rectified really gives you the edge in verifying your design. Now, we're not saying that traditional two-dimensional PCB design is irrelevant. We're simply saying that since you're designing a three-dimensional product, well, why not be given the ability to visualize and change your design in 3D within your design environment in real time? So come on in and talk to us live, because eye candy, it ain't.